The Chinese city of Luoyang is steeped in history and culture. It's also a modernized industrial city with a strong industrial base and great scientific strength. On Monday, Chinese President Xi Jinping inspected Luoyang. He learned about local efforts to accelerate the development of advanced manufacturing while visiting the Luoyang Bearing Group Co Limited. Luoyang Bearing Group Co Limited is a leading bearing manufacturer with a broad product range. Bearings are core components of mechanical equipment playing a crucial role in the national economy. In recent years, LYC has continuously intensified its efforts in scientific and technological research, revitalizing itself amid industrial transformation and upgrading.
轴承是被誉为这个机械工业的心脏。这几年呢，洛轴是从原来的一个单机机床，到后来的自动化，再到现在这个数字化自动化。
In China, traditional industries are being upgraded for smarter manufacturing at a fast pace. LYC has embraced this transformation, harnessing digital and intelligent technologies to enhance its core competitiveness. The company has built some of the country's leading testing platforms for bearings used in sectors such as aerospace technology, wind power, and high-speed rail.
这2年呢，其实我们的产品的转型就发生了很大的变化了。就像我们航空航天、我们的风力发电、我们的轨道交通，甚至说我们的新能源汽车这些高附加值、高可行的产品进行转型。那这个背后呢，其实就是需要我们这种科技创新的这种支撑，就需要我们这种产业的转型和升级的这种变化。
Currently, high-end bearings account for 70% of Luoyang Bearing Group's total output value. Main bearings for tunnel boring machines manufactured by the company have helped reduce China's reliance on imports.
我们制造业一定要自立自强，因为我们国家基础产业的发展对我们轴承产业的提升有很大的促进作用啊。那我们现在的计划就是说，我们从传统的制造就变成这个数字化、智能化的制造。我们设计手段、研发手段也要向这个 AI 技术，用 AI 技术来提高我们的研发速度，提高我们的研发能力。
LYC's transformation is a vivid example of how traditional enterprises in Henan province are embracing innovation and upgrading. From a major agricultural province with a rich cultural heritage to a hub of intelligent manufacturing, Henan is forging new ground in high-quality development, a vivid embodiment of China's pursuit of high-quality development in the new era.